First up, we got Beets. And no, I'm not talking about the headphones, even though those are pretty cool too. Beets and their leafy green tops are packed with nitrates. Nitrates help your lungs work better. It's like giving your lungs a little pep in their step. Beet greens, they're loaded with magnesium, potassium, vitamin C and antioxidants. So next time you're at the grocery store, channel your inner Dwight Schrute and stock up on beets. Next up, we're spicing things up with peppers. And no, before you ask, I don't mean the ghost pepper challenge. Peppers are full of vitamin C, which is like the superhero of the vitamin world, fighting off bad guys and keeping those lungs in tip-top shape. You know what they say, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Apples are good for your lungs, especially if you used to smoke. Apples are like little antioxidant factories, pumping out flavonoids and vitamin C to fight off those pesky free radicals. All right, pumpkin spice latte fans, this one's for you. Pumpkin isn't just for lattes and pies anymore. That bright orange flesh is full of carotenoids, which protect your cells from damage and have anti-inflammatory properties. So go ahead, indulge in that pumpkin spice latte, knowing that you're doing something good for your lungs. Hold on to your guacamole bowls, folks, because we're talking about avocados. This creamy, dreamy fruit isn't just delicious, it's also a lung-loving superstar. Avocados are full of healthy fats that help reduce inflammation all over your body, including your lungs. So go ahead, treat yourself to some avocado toast, guacamole, or just eat one straight up with a spoon. Oranges. They're like little balls of sunshine packed with vitamin C and antioxidants. Vitamin C is a major immune system booster, helping your body fight off infections and keeping those lungs healthy. So next time you're feeling under the weather, reach for an orange instead of that cough drop. Berries, berries, berries. They're like nature's candy, but without the guilt trip. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, you name it, they're all bursting with antioxidants that can help reduce inflammation and improve lung function. So go ahead, sprinkle some berries on your cereal, yogurt, or just eat them straight out of the container. Now, who doesn't love a good glass of wine? But did you know that grapes, especially the red ones, are packed with resveratrol, a powerful antioxidant that can help protect your lung tissue from damage? So, next time you're sipping on a glass of Merlot, toast to your health and your lungs, because you're doing something good for your body. Pomegranates. These little ruby red jewels aren't just fun to eat, they're also packed with antioxidants that can help reduce lung inflammation and improve overall lung health. Think of them as little inflammation fighters, patrolling your lungs and keeping things running smoothly. So go ahead, sprinkle some pomegranate seeds on your salad, yogurt, or just enjoy them as a snack. Last but not least, we've got pineapple, the king or queen of tropical fruits. Pineapple isn't just delicious, it's also a good source of bromelain, an enzyme that can help reduce lung inflammation and improve breathing. Think of bromelain as a tiny lung masseuse, soothing those airways and making it easier to breathe. So, next time you're craving a taste of the tropics, reach for a juicy pineapple. So there you have it, folks. 10 delicious fruits that can help repair your lungs. Remember, it's never too late to start taking care of your health. Give your lungs some love with these awesome fruits. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel Finding Balance for more fun and informative videos. Stay healthy, stay awesome. Share this with your loved ones.